Ultra Dent Tools is now the distributor for the Newarc dual-axis wheel straightening machine. This revolutionary patented machine has been in use all over the world for the last 10 years and is now available for purchase from Ultra. This lightweight machine requires no external air or power and is easily portable. The average person can be trained to use the machine in about an hour. Since there are no raw materials or government regulations, and there is no inventory, warranty, or liability, all but the labor cost of the repair goes directly into your pocket. Typical wheel straightening can easily be billed at anywhere from $65 to $125, and high-end wheels can bring even more. This machine is the only one ever to be certified to SAE standards. Steve from Ultra Dent Tools is going to show us how easy it is to straighten a wheel.
Okay, so here we've got another test wheel, and I'm a total beginner. I've straightened one wheel before in Detroit with Don, and I have really no knowledge of this other than I've seen him straighten a few wheels, and he's going to try to talk me through this, coach me through this again, and so we're going to go through this process and just kind of see how relatively easy it is for just a beginner. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to try to heat this thing up. And we're going to try to keep it under 400 degrees. Like 200 right there. As I said before, annealing takes place probably around 500 degrees, so it'll start to weaken it after that. So 400 is like well within the safety range here. So almost to 400. $392. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so
bring the bend toward you. Rotate the wheel toward you. You'll be a little easier to get. All right, good.
So I got it at 2,000 on that one. Okay, so I'm going to bring this one to like 3, and then
that one's almost gone.
Dropped all the way back down to nothing virtually. So I'm going to bring this one back up. I'll bring this one back up to like. So just my common sense tells me that I'm going to be trying to pay attention to what's happening with this, with the dents as they come out. So that's up to 4. The lower one's at 4, and the lip's still way in. So I'm going to bring that lip back up to like 4, and then the inner one's dropping down to about 2. So it's starting to look pretty good. I can see that I'm a little bit off, so it's a little bit lower here still, a little bit over. So I'm going to have to move it like kind of like he did.
That's good there.
So I'm going to bring a little bit more pressure back in there. Put about Yeah, probably just about 35 on that. So now, what do you think? I let up and then move over.
Go more on the lower one. Go up to maybe 4,500, 5,000.
But when I let up on that, it's going to be more, no?
Yeah, well.
Okay, so.
See, now
that. Now it's at almost
5,600.
So let's see. So I moved over just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
So that one's up to about 55. So I'm gonna relieve that and see where we're at. So that one's back up to 6.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll put the indicator on it.
Spin it and see what it looks like. Wow. It looks pretty good to me.
Okay, so let's put the indicator on it and see where we're at.
Yeah, there's a 0.
So that's 0 about right here, right?
Right there.
Right there. Okay, so that's the farthest out.
That's right. That's where we were. That's where you were pressing. Okay. Now you're gonna go. Keep going.
So it means that it's out almost too much, right?
Yep. All right. So there's a high spot. Right back. Go back about right there. You can put a 40 or 50 there.
About right there.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
So that's about 50.
Yeah.
Okay. So then.
See how it stayed up real nice over there? That's real nice. And then it's going down to 0. Okay, good. So what you have is this needs to go in and that needs to go out. So you take your lower ram, put it on the 50.
Okay.
And put a couple thousand pounds on it and then whack on the 0.
About 2,000.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
so then hit it on
but don't hit with the indicator on it.
Oh, okay.
You probably can leave it like that.
So just hit it here.
Yep. Okay, now let's see what we got. Under 30. Well, it's about 30.
So this is 0 again. So it's still 0.
Still there.
Right.
Still high.
So
you got to do the exact same thing you just got through doing.
So
it's still high there.
It's still high there.
So this time go 3,000 pounds on it and whack it again.
Okay.
That's pretty good though.
So I really just kind of went just a little too much.
No, not there. The 50.
Or no, this is the low point, right?
The 50. That's where you want it. That's what's high.
Where I want it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's right. Maybe like 3,000.
Yeah, go 3.
So then hit on the 0 again, right?
Yeah. Watch the end. There you go. Whack it good. All right. I think the indicators. Oh, I can't go. It's about 25.
About 25.
Mm-hmm. 25.
So that's within 25. That's really pretty much within
Yeah.
tolerance right there.
Yeah.
So
spin it fast and see what it looks
so that
like.
was what, about 10 minutes? I really appreciate you coming in, Don, to show us the wheel straightener. Steve. And I got to take my hat off to you. You really invented a very, very efficient machine, because, you know, I'm a beginner. I've never even done this before. I mean, I kind of felt like I made it look easy in a way, because
you did a good job.
We did it pretty quickly. We did it in under 10 minutes. I think it was 9 minutes and some odd. And we straightened the wheel beautifully. And I wasn't aware of the fact that there's wheels that are bent. There's a lot of bent wheels out there, and this is a great profit center. It's a turnkey business that you could, you know, for a minimal investment, you can buy this machine. It's mobile. You could be in a shop environment, or it can be in a van somewhere where you can go out and do it mobile. So for more information, and you can purchase these at ultradenttools.com. And appreciate you taking a look at our video.